I'm Marcus Julian Carbo from SocietyIsAnIllusion.com, and I am the Angry Atheist. There is a scourge plaguing the United States.
And I start looking for the facts, and they're not there. The government won't tell us.
That threatens the very foundation.
That is how we fundamentally change this country, and it really is striking.
Of America.
They're bringing drugs.
And if you stand against it,
They're bringing crime.
you just might be...
They're rapists.
a racist? Yep, and here's why. America's founding and subsequent immigration laws have always been rooted in racism. In 1790, the newly christened nation of the United States passed the 1790 Act, which limited naturalization to free white persons of good character. After a bloody civil war fought over slavery, the 14th Amendment granted citizenship to all born within jurisdiction of the United States, including aliens of African nativity and persons of African descent. Then in 1898, the Supreme Court decision in United States versus Long Kim Ark granted citizenship to an American-born child of Chinese parents. And I bet you can guess what happened next. Since the United States allowed one Asian to become a citizen, they had to allow all Asians to become citizens, right? Nope. Thanks to the Chinese Exclusion Act, the Asiatic Bar Zone Act, and the Immigration Act of 1924, Asians were not allowed to become citizens without special circumstances until the Walter McCarran Act of 1952. In 1921, the U.S. Congress passed the Emergency Quota Act to curb the immigration of Africans, Mexicans, Arabs, Asians, Eskimos. Nope. In 1921, the U.S. Congress passed the Emergency Quota Act to stem the tide of the culturally destroyed Italian, Slavs, and Jews. In fact, alongside the Irish, these groups wouldn't be considered white until the Civil Rights Movement required reinforcements. Between 1929 and 1936, Mexican repatriation deported an estimated 2 million Mexicans from California, Texas, and Colorado. In fact, INS was so good at this particular rounding up and throwing out that in 2005, California passed an official apology act to those forced to relocate, considering an estimated 1.2 million of those relocated were actually American citizens. And let's not forget the Justice Department's aptly named Operation Wetback, which saw the deportation of another 1,075,168 Mexicans. But then again, given the time frame, at least the United States was alone in passing racist legislation that indiscriminately targeted individuals of particular races and ethnicities.
In jeder Stunde, an jedem Tag, nur zu denken an Deutschland.